Hey guys, and welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise, but we exercise every day. And then we increase that exercise very slowly. It's kind of a break in the rain here. Hopefully the sun will stay sunny. It's push-up day today. We got a couple neat things for you. One thing is we're going to be using our push-up handles, popularized by David, who is watching the show, but apparently he can't comment because he's not logged in with the TV he's watching on. But I was talking to him the other day, or talking to his buddy Dan. Anyway, guys, so we're doing our push-ups. We're using our push-up handles. Part of the reason is we want to add a little bit of difficulty. But another reason, I've got this wrist thing. I think I mentioned it last time. And this is actually going to make it easier on our wrists, as well as enabling us to get better form. So a win-win, as it were. Anyway, let's see how we do. Our push-ups have hit kind of, oh, see, there's a cloud. Okay. Our push-ups have hit kind of a little bit of a plateau here. So it's good that we're trying different things as well. We've been doing the weighted push-ups some, but I want to do some unweighted push-ups with this other technique here to make it a little bit harder, but not maybe as hard as the weighted ones, but also good for my wrist. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. So this should make it a little easier on me. 4, and also add some better form. I'm going to come down all the way. 5, and now I'm just getting a better push-up, coming down a little bit lower. 6, 7, and I'm not trying to kill myself here. 8, just going to do 8 here is fine. Come all the way down. We just want good form. Our push-ups, really 26 is still the max. So if we do 8 and 8, that is what percentage? I gotta rest anyway, so I'll just talk with you guys for a second. Let's see. So wait, 24. So wait, 75% of 24 is 6 times 3, 18. 18. If I was doing 24, that'd be 75%. I'm doing 26. That's pretty close to 70%. Yeah, 8 is pretty close to 70%. If you do 8, no, I got to do 9 and 9 for 18. All right, so I'm more like at 60-something% if I do 8 and 8. But those were getting hard. I could feel myself wearing out. You could see me slowing down. I was trying to maintain a good form through here, and I hadn't talked about. Usually, I talk about tightening legs, tightening butt, tightening chest, tightening collar, all around here, and trying to be aboard. I didn't even talk about this time, so I probably didn't have the perfect form there either. We'll look at it this time. It's neat. One thing that's neat about the push-up handles is they're sitting right here again, so I can just grab them again and have that same that same spot. So they kind of act as markers too. You see, my cardiovascular health is just great here, right? Anyway, you gotta stick up with that. Keep up with it. Anyway, maybe we'll do 3 sets. That's another way we can push our max here, because we're not getting more than 8 on this one. I was burning out, man. I'm not trying to push a new max today. So I guess if I do a lot of sets, though, it could really help, right? So let's do another set. I don't know how long we waited in between, but the advantage of talking this whole time is we can actually look at that afterwards. So anyway, let's tighten legs, let's tighten butt, let's tighten chest, let's tighten head, let's tighten everything. 1. Now I could feel my wrist thing a little bit there. Okay? 2. I really feel that wrist. Make sure I treat it good. 3. And this is strengthening the wrist, right? 4. Grip. Everything is part of this. That's what's great about these complex exercises. 5. But I'm burned out, guys. I'm burned out. Like, I'm running out at 5. I'm not pushing it too much. That's when you get injured. And you can see me massaging my wrist here because of that soreness there. That came, I don't know whether it was playing a little too much guitar. I don't know if it was moving an object I wasn't thinking about that I shouldn't have. But kind of like up this way, which kind of made me think it was guitar. Kind of up this way where you hold it. I had this like shooting pain here down my nose, like ow, ow. You know, a little soreness there sometimes, but that's not normal. So I just resolved to treat it really gently, give it some good massage, and hopefully we get better. Wow. Anyway, I'm pretty beat after doing the 8 and 5, you can see there. I do want to do a few more though. Let's see, I'm looking at the time. It's 4:33 it says on here, my little timer, my video. So let's wait at least 1 more minute, and then we'll do 1 more set. If I do 4, 5, 3, doesn't matter, that's fine. I still want to do 8 and 5 and have me a whole day, you know. Are we going to do some cardio afterward, maybe pot some squats? I don't think so. It's already too long a video with these pauses in between. And it's about doing a little bit every day. I remember one of the guys, not Bookie Cuss, thank you Bookie Cuss, by the way, my only faithful Let's Grow crew member. Let's go, right? Let's go, buddy. Let's do this. Let's do it every day. As long as you do that, you're going to get there. You don't have to worry about killing yourself each individual day. That's kind of the point of daily commitment. So we're not going to go crazy, but I am trying to beat this plateau, and I do want to increase slowly. 8 and 5 is just a little too low, so we are going to do a third set here. Anyway, I forget what I was talking about. Oh, 4:33. Yes, that was only a minute that I talked there. So it's just, you can talk a lot in a minute. We'll put it that way. Anyway, let's do one more set. See how we feel. See if we get 5 again, or if we're just going to do 4-3. Let's try to make sure we're getting that form really good. That's the most important thing. I'd rather do less reps and have a good form. So let's tighten legs. Let's tighten butt. Let's tighten chest. 1. Keep those elbows in, right by the sides, right? 2. 3. These feel better than last time. 4. Much better than last time. 5. I think we can get 6 actually. So we're going to get 6. This is getting the end, and I'm starting to feel the wrist hurt a little bit too, so it's good to end, but I think, and that's why I didn't come down as slowly as I'd like. I did, the wrist started tweaking a little bit. Even, it's definitely better than last time I was doing it this way though, so I'm still pretty happy with it, and I think I'm getting that strength back, and I'm just going to treat it gently. I'll keep you guys updated if I have a serious injury, but I don't think so. Anyway, so that was pretty good. We got 8 and 11, so still not a great day, but over 80% in a way, if you look at it that way. We got our splits in between we can look at as the time, goes, switches back and forth. And really that's all you need, man, is that little bit of data every day. It's nice to record yourself. That's one of the advantages. You can look at your time resting in between sets and stuff. Even though it does make a little video a little longer for you guys, it gives you a little more real-time appreciation of the whole thing. This whole workout only took 7 minutes. And that's what we're talking about doing every day. And if you just do that little bit every day, just make it a habit. Make a short exercise routine and do that routine every day. And then increase that routine slightly. You can't lose, guys. You can't lose. Let's go. Do it every day. Subscribe. See you guys. Peace.